Alright, working on replacing the heater fan in the old S175. Thought I'd show you a few details. First of all, if you want to test your power before you tear everything apart, the plug's right here. I've got the cab up. Turn the key on. The motor's not running, obviously. And here's how you can test. I've got the fan switch on 3 right here. You can see I'm lined up with the black wire there on the right. And I'm getting 12 volts DC there on the meter. So the orange wire on the left there is for 3-speed. On my machine, the yellow is 1, red is 2, and orange is 3. Now, here's my new fan. Got the resistor on top. My old fan has got the wire harness. So what I'm going to do is cut the wire harness off of this one and match up my wires, the colors. You got 1, 2, 3 marked on here, and then your ground will go right there. I may have to pull this housing off and put the motor in that housing because it seems to fit in the bracket here a little bit better. I didn't have to unhook any hoses here. You just pull your bolts. That comes from, probably not going to be able to see that, but it comes from up there. You've got 4 bolts there and 2 back there. The foam padding up underneath the cab kind of hides them, but there's 4 of them. You unbolt those and maybe pull some zip ties along this side, and that'll drop right off of there. Hope that helps.